Different types of plug-and-play cells. Our replicator cells can be adapted in a variety of ways. According to the customer's needs and existing workspace, each replicator cell is equipped with a system that enables the robot to learn and operate through imitation of human movement, without the need for code or programming knowledge. Whether opting for a cobot or industrial robot, each replicator cell is delivered ready to operate with all wiring, calibrations and safety devices integrated at the factory to commission the cell upon arrival. Replicator cells come with a wide array of options and accessories, adaptable to single or double workstations, conveyors and rotary indexing tables. A replicator cell can be equipped with 2 work tables installed on sliders, allowing for a seamless transition between the part in production and the part being prepared. Each table is perforated, making it easy to set up jigs when changing the type of part in production. A cell equipped with an industrial robot offers a large deployment and long service life. Another replicator solution offers 2 rotary work tables on the same structure to increase productivity and reduce labor needs. With its existing workstation, processing operations can be conducted on all sides of the workpiece. Easy to operate, the user performs maneuvers on the first workpiece, and the robot automatically replicates the movement on subsequent workpieces. The operator prepares the workpiece to be transformed on the first table, while the robot replicates the motions on the other table, and so on. Whether opting for a cobot or industrial robot, a system without accessories for paint or sandblasting booth or existing workstations, each replicator cell is delivered ready to operate with all wiring, calibrations and safety devices pre-configured, calibrated and tested for factory, allowing for easy and quick commissioning. Our specialists offer training and support to integrate the replicator technology easily and seamlessly. No code, no programming, our solutions are plug and play.